Hello everyone and welcome back to our language learning series. In today's video, we will be exploring the world of numbers in French. Especially, we will focus on the numbers from 0 to 20. Don't worry, if you are new to the French language, we will explain everything in English to make it easy for you to follow along. So let's get started. The first number we will learn is 0. In French, it's called zero. Zero. Moving on to number 1. In French, it's un. Un. Number 2 in French is deux. Deux. Next we have number 3, which is trois in French. Trois. Trois. Now let's learn how to say 4 in French. It's quatre. Quatre. Number 5 in French is cinq. Cinq. Moving on to number 6, we have six in French. Six. Now let's learn how to say 7 in French. It's sept. Sept. Number 8 in French is huit. Huit. Next up is number 9, which is neuf in French. Neuf. We have reached the number 10. In French, it is dix. Dix. Let's move on to the number 11, which is onze in French. Onze. Number 12 in French is douze. Douze. Moving on to 13, we have treize in French. Treize. Treize. Number 14 is quatorze in French. Quatorze. Quatorze. Now let's learn how to say 15 in French. It's quinze. Quinze. Moving on to 16, we have seize in French. Seize. Seize. Now let's learn how to say 17 in French. It is Dix-sept. Dix-sept. Number 18 in French is Dix-huit. Dix-huit. Next up is 19, which is Dix-neuf. Dix-neuf. Finally, we have reached number 20. In French, it's vingt. Vingt. And there you have it. You have successfully learned the numbers from 0 to 20 in French. In this segment, we will revise and practice the numbers from 0 to 20 in French. It's crucial to reinforce what you have learned and refine your pronunciation skills. So let's dive in and become masters of French numbers. Let's recap. 0, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Practice saying these numbers out loud to improve your pronunciations. Fantastic job so far. Do remember to practice your French number skills by repeating and pronouncing these numbers regularly. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. And I'll see you in the next video. A bientôt!